Today, we're diving deep into the amazing world of our kidneys. These two bean-shaped powerhouses are silently working behind the scenes, filtering waste products, regulating blood pressure, and keeping our electrolytes in balance. But just like any other organ, our kidneys can benefit from a little TLC. Have you ever heard of the whispers of nature's secrets for kidney health? Well, those whispers might be more true than you think. Mother Nature has provided us with a treasure trove of herbs that can gently support our renal system. But before we jump into the magic potion mix, let's rewind a bit. Did you know that 1 in 10 adults in the United States suffers from chronic kidney disease? It's often a silent threat, progressing unnoticed until later stages. That's why proactive kidney care is crucial. Today, we'll explore 3 powerful herbs that have been traditionally used to promote healthy kidney function. But remember, these are not miracle cures. They work best alongside a healthy lifestyle and in consultation with your healthcare provider. Before we delve into herbal goodness, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below letting me know your favorite kidney-friendly tips. Now, let's get started on those powerful herbs. Herb number 1, dandelion leaf. Our first champion is the humble dandelion leaf. Often seen as a pesky weed, this sunshine-colored plant boasts a surprising number of health benefits. Dandelion is known for its diuretic properties, which means it helps increase urine output. This can be beneficial for flushing out toxins and reducing fluid buildup that can put a strain on your kidneys. Studies suggest that dandelion leaf extract may have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, potentially protecting kidney cells from damage. However, more research is ongoing to fully understand its mechanisms. Dandelion leaf comes in various forms: tea, capsules, and even tinctures. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplements, especially if you're on medications that affect blood sugar or blood thinners. Herb number 2, Uva ursi. Next up, we have Uva ursi, a flowering shrub with a long history of use in urinary tract health. This herb contains compounds called arbutins, which break down into hydroquinone in the body. Hydroquinone is thought to have antibacterial properties that may help fight urinary tract infections, UTIs. It's important to note that Uva ursi is not a magic bullet for UTIs. While it may help with symptoms, it's crucial to consult a doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. Additionally, Uva ursi can interact with certain medications and may cause side effects like nausea and upset stomach in some individuals. Uva ursi is typically available in capsule or tea form. However, due to potential side effects, it's not recommended for long-term use. Always follow recommended dosages and discontinue use if you experience any adverse reactions. Herb number 3, astragalus root. Our final herbal hero is astragalus root, a powerhouse adaptogen used in traditional Chinese medicine. Adaptogens are known to help the body adapt to stress, which can be beneficial for kidney health. Chronic stress can negatively impact kidney function, so supporting your body's stress response is key. Potential benefits: astragalus may also have anti-inflammatory and immune-modulating properties. These properties could potentially support overall kidney health by reducing inflammation and protecting kidney cells. However, research on astragalus specifically for kidney benefits is limited. Astragalus root. It's important to manage expectations with astragalus. While it shows promise in supporting overall well-being, it's not a substitute for conventional medical treatments for kidney disease. Astragalus root comes in various forms: capsules, tinctures, and even powdered extracts. However, due to potential interactions with certain medications and its immune-modulating effects, it's crucial to speak to your doctor before incorporating it into your routine. Remember, these herbs are not a one-size-fits-all solution. While they may offer benefits for some, they might not be suitable for everyone. It's essential to have a conversation with your doctor before trying any new supplements, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions, are pregnant, or breastfeeding. Dietary and lifestyle strategies. While herbs can be a helpful addition, a healthy lifestyle is the cornerstone of good kidney health. Here are some tips to keep your kidneys happy. Hydration is key. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day to keep your body well flushed and reduce waste buildup in your kidneys. Eat a kidney-friendly diet. Focus on fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive protein intake, which can put a strain on your kidneys. Manage blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidney disease. Exercise regularly, maintain a healthy weight, and follow your doctor's recommendations if you have hypertension. Minimize salt intake. Excessive sodium intake can contribute to high blood pressure and put stress on your kidneys. Opt for natural herbs and spices to add flavor to your meals. Don't smoke. Smoking can damage blood vessels throughout your body, including those in your kidneys. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your overall health, including your kidneys. Outro. There you have 3 powerful herbs with the potential to support your renal health, along with some essential lifestyle changes. Remember, these herbs are not a magic bullet, and consulting your doctor is crucial before adding them to your routine. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below sharing your favorite kidney-friendly tips.